When most of Southlake is asleep, a dedicated team of officers is just getting started. Night shift patrol plays a critical role in keeping our community safe, responding to calls, preventing crime, and ensuring peace of mind while the city rests. Hello, Southlake. I'm Randy Robbins, Southlake City Council Place 2. Today we're taking you behind the scenes to see how the Southlake City Police Department works through the night to keep our community safe. While the city winds down, night shifts ramp up. Their shifts are focused on visibility, vigilance, and rapid response. From checking businesses after hours to patrolling quiet neighborhoods, their presence helps keep the community safe and secure. Now let's hear from Patrol Captain Miles Jenkins, and he's going to share with us how the night shift patrol operations work.
Hi, I'm Police Captain Miles Jenkins, and I oversee the patrol division for the Southlake Police Department. During the overnight hours, our focus is on being proactive. While calls for service may be lower, this is when we have the opportunity to really get out, observe, and make sure everything is secure. You'll often see our officers conducting patrols and walking perimeters, making sure doors are locked and nothing looks out of place. Inside the patrol car, officers are constantly monitoring their surroundings, watching for suspicious activity, and staying ready to respond at a moment's notice. We also conduct welfare checks, often based on calls from concerned neighbors. Those moments can be critical, and they're an important part of what we do. Recently, our overnight team received a report of a missing person. We coordinated immediately with dispatch to gather all information and establish search areas. The drone unit was activated and ready to assist if needed, giving us an aerial perspective to cover ground quickly.
Kind of this area being wooded, and there's a lot of ground that obviously we can't see back into these woods. We have the availability of a drone operator to come in and kind of do an overhead snapshot, or if there was low light, he could use infrared and help us find somebody if they were to be out in that brush, or I guess cover a much larger area than we can.
At the same time, officers patrolled neighborhoods, checked local businesses, and followed every lead. Thanks to our division's quick response, the missing person was found unharmed and in good health, before the drone even needed to take flight. Even when things seem quiet, our officers are actively working, patrolling neighborhoods, watching over businesses, looking for impaired drivers, and helping prevent issues before they start.
Thank you to Captain Jenkins, Sergeant Sewell, Chief Casey, and all the men and women of the Southlake Police Department for their dedication to professionalism, accountability, and community trust. That's it for this week's Southlake City Spotlight. We'll see you next week.